Hello students, welcome to eLessons. I am Vinita, your maths teacher. Today we are going to study about a new chapter, chapter 7, called as triangles. So you have heard the word triangle already, so you know what a triangle is, okay? The word triangle comes from two words. The first one is tri and the second one is angle. So tri and angle are the two words which makes up to the word triangle. Tri means 3. Okay, tri means 3. So a triangle is like this. This is a triangle. So it has 3 sides, 3 angles and 3 vertices. A, B, C are the vertices. So a triangle has 3 sides. So which are the 3 sides? Let me just write AB, BC and AC. Okay, 3 angles, 3 sides, 3 angles. Which are the 3 angles? Angle BAC, angle ACB and angle CBA. Also it has 3 vertices. Vertices word is the plural of vertex. Okay. So it has 3 vertices. Which are the vertices? A, B and C. So singular form of vertices is vertex. Okay, singular form of vertices is vertex. So a triangle is nothing but a figure which has 3 sides, 3 angles and 3 vertices. So let us study more about triangle. Let us now see the types of triangles. So basically there are 3 main types of triangles. Okay, types of triangles. Okay, types of triangles. The first one is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. So equilateral triangle is the triangle in which all sides are equal and all angles are equal. Okay, equilateral triangle means all sides are equal. All sides equal and all angles are equal. All angles are equal. You know that the sum of the angles in a triangle is 180 degree. So if the sum is 180 degree and I am telling that in an equilateral triangle all angles are equal. All angles are equal means let me take it as x, x and x. All angles are equal, so I am taking all the 3 angles to be x. Now x plus x should give you 180 degree because the sum of all the angles in a triangle is 180 degree. What is x plus x? Nothing but 3x. 3x is equal to 180 degree. So x will be 180 divided by 3. 3 ones are, 3 60s are, so x is equal to 60. So in equilateral triangle, all the angles are 60 degree. All angles are equal, that equal value is equal to 60 degree. So the second one is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. So what is the meaning of isosceles triangle? In isosceles triangle, 2 sides are equal and 2 angles are equal. 2 angles are equal. If you have a triangle like this, these 2 sides are equal and these 2 angles are equal. So this is an isosceles triangle. The third one is the scalene triangle. Scalene triangle. So what do you mean by scalene triangle? Scalene triangle is the one which has no sides equal, no angles equal. No sides equal and no angles equal. A random triangle. So this is a scalene triangle. You can draw any. This is a scalene triangle. No sides are equal, no angles are equal. So we have three types of triangles. Equilateral, where all sides are equal and all angles are equal. The angles are equal to 60 degree each. Second one is isosceles triangle, wherein two sides are equal and these corresponding two angles are equal. Next we have scalene triangle, where no sides are equal and no angles are equal.